So the schedule page is a little bit weird too, because right now it says what we did together, and it's blank. And you may, if you scroll down through the schedule page, you may have noticed that each week is like that. Blank, 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 blank. There's a couple projects scattered throughout. We'll talk about those in a second. The reason for that is I don't bother trying to plan out an entire term on day 1 or day 0 or day -1. I don't try to do that because then this happens. And we have to adjust it anyway. I just believe in kind of starting at the beginning and going until we get there. Now you might be wondering, what does get there mean? That's a good question. What is it? So in case you're interested right now in what we're going to get to, I'll show you this page. You don't have to go to this page right now if you don't. If you want to, you can. It's called the resources page. We'll go here a lot. Sorry for the yellow. We'll go here a lot in class. In class, we'll spend a lot of time here. Now, I'll explain it more starting on Tuesday, because we don't need to get in. We're getting like more micro than macro with this page, and I want to do that, but not on this like kind of first day. Okay? We might get into this PowerPoint later, in which case we can. But at any rate, these are the topics that we're going to be doing in Math 243. And the thing is, I hate trying to plug them into a grid because every class kind of operates differently. You guys might take more time for one topic than a different topic than I'm used to, whatever that means. My 244 class last term, it took me an extra 2 weeks to make sure they understood this idea called p-value, which some of you may have heard of in your previous stat classes. They just weren't getting it. I'm like, you know what? I could just rush through it and get to the next thing, but if I do that, that next thing won't make sense. Let's slow it down, get some more data sets, drive it home. So rather than trying to force the grid now and stick to it, this is the grid, and it will fill in as we go. So every time we have class, I'll go back to my office after class, and I'll fill the schedule page out better so that the next topic we did is in there. Resources you need are linked to it. You can get back here, obviously, click on these. We'll do some of this stuff in class. A lot of this side is in class. This is just the topics. There you go. Does that make sense? I will talk a little bit later about what these links are over here, and we'll come back to this. We'll come back to this. Not right now, because that's, again, getting too micro, not enough macro. But that's what will fill in this schedule page as time goes. So these will all be filled in as we go through the class. Is this fair? Is this believable? Hopefully this is making sense. All right, we're starting to get that glazed look, and it's 9 o'clock. Look at that. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the camera.